he crawling? Oh my goodness! Are you gonna get that moo cow? Get that moo cow. Go get it. Go get that moo cow. Yeah, come on, baby girl. You can do it. You can crawl, babe. Go get the moo cow. Go get it. You can do it, Layla. You can do it. There it is. Yay, yay. Go get it. Go get that moo cow. Uh-oh. I think we stalled.
The engine
The
stalled.
engine stalled. Let's rev it up. Rev it up. There we go. We got one leg going. We got the other one. All right. Oh, we got an arm or two. Hey, we're pulling forward. We're getting there. We got a finger touch. Ah, we got it.
We got it.
We got it.
Yeah.
Yay! Layla, you crawled for the first time. Congratulations. It's May 2nd, Saturday, 2015, and you're amazing. And you're puking. You're puking on Grandma's blanket that the church ladies made by hand for you. And I'm sure they know you're appreciating it very, very much and getting lots of good use out of it too. Thanks, Dad. Oh, gotta love that moo cow. Love you, baby. Beautiful.